Hello all, today we are going to learn about the find the square root. Okay, so you guys know how to find out the square root, right? But first we will concentrate on the single digit number, small numbers, to find out that. Say for example, if you see that the 9, you have to find out the square root of 9. How you will find out the square root? By doing that 3 into 3 equal to 9. The square root of 9 equal to 3, you will say. But how you say that? You know the tables for the single numbers, so you can find out. But there should be a way to find out the square root. So we will see. Say for example, 9 is there. So we will see the LCM for this. What is the table? You can say 3 table 3 times. So then 3 1 time. So 3 into 3, okay, equal to 9. So the pair will take it as a single. So square root of 9 equal to, answer is 3, right? So this is a way to find out the square root. So we got the square root for 9. So in a easiest way, so by doing the LCM, okay, so we could able to get the result, right? Say for example, if there are the big numbers, so how to find out? Let us see. Okay, say for example, so 169 is a number. Okay, we have to find out the square root for this. How to do the square root? We know the LCM. One method. There are two methods. One is LCM, and the other one is division method. Division method. We will see both division method as well as the LCM. Say for example, you know the LCM, right? So LCM part 169. What is the table? We will get it for 169. So if you see that 10, 11, 13 table, okay. So 113 is 13. So 3 13 is 39. So 13 table 1 time. So 13 into 13. So square root of 169 equal to 13. Answer is. This is the LCM method. So the other one is division method. So we will see the how we have to go to we have to write the division method. Say for example, the same question. If you want to do the division method, this is very easy. If you follow this, it would be very easy for you. So 169 is a number. So we will go with the division. So what is the? So when you are taking the division method, you have to take always a pair from the last. Take it last. So what is the first number you have? Only one single digit we have. So how it will so by taking the one table, 1 into 1, 1 1 is 1, so 0. So when you are getting down, you have to take it as a pair. What is the pair here? 69. So now 1 plus 1 will become 2. Okay. So what we have to do is 21. So we have to take it as 21 into 1. So 21. So 22. So you are taking the 22 into 2. So 44. So you are trying to match this number. So whatever number you are taking in the side, that number you have to multiply it. So for example 2, I am going to take 23 into 3. So same number 22 beside 2, whatever number you are taking, we are multiplying with the same number. So 23 into 3. So what is the number? 3 3 is 9, 69. So okay, exactly we got the number. So 23 into 3. So 23 into 3, 69. 0. So what is the square root of 169? Here the number is 13. So square root of 169 equal to 13. So this is a divisible method. So as I said, there are two ways to do the square root. One is LCM, the other one is division method. The LCM you are doing the simple way, but you have to remember the tables to do that. So if it is a divisible method, you know very easy, right? 169, you have to take it as a pair. So whatever is the remaining one, you are going to do that 1 into 1, 1, it is going to become a 0. So that you have to get down the numbers as a pair, and the table 1 plus 1, the last remainder you have to take. The last one is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So you are going to take 2. Here 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay. So what we have to take is 21 into 1. Okay, whatever we are putting here, the number, it has to multiply with the same number. So suppose if you are going to take 21 table into one time, so it is going to become a 21. So it is still we can go for further. So 22 into 2. So we are going to take a 2 beside 2, and we are multiplying with the 2. So 22 table with 2. So 22 into 2, 44. Still there is a chance to go for further. So 23 into 3, 69. So see, 23 into 3. So 23 table 3 times we are going to take it. So 23 into 3. 23 we are going to put a 3 here, and so becoming 0. So square root of 169 equal to 13. So these are all the two ways, LCM and divisional method. Now we will go for the bigger number. Okay. So other number, we will take a bigger number. So say for example 7744 is a number. You have to find out the square root. As we know, LCM, we are not going for the LCM. So we are going to do the divisional method, because division method is very easy. If you take LCM, there will be a lot of tables will be involved, and it is a big tedious process. We will go for the divisible method. Divisible method is the easiest way. Always you go for the divisible method. So now we are going to take a 7744. Okay. What is the rule? We have to take the pair from the last. So this is a pair. Okay. So what is the table we are going to take it? So 2 2 is 4 is going to be very huge difference. 3 3 is 9 is a difference. Okay, 4 4 is 16. Still there is a difference. 5 5 is 25. Oh, 6 6 is 36. 7 7 is 49. 8 8 is 64. Still we can go. 9 9 is 81. Oh, 81 is going to be bigger for this. So 8 8 is right. 9 is 81. 8 8 is 64, right? So we are going to put 8 into 8, 64. So what is the remaining? 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. And 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Now, so as I said, we have to get down both the numbers as a pair to down. So get it 44 here. Now, what is the thumb rule here? You have to take the last remainder. What is the last remainder? I mean, if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have to take the last remainder. What is the last remainder here? So for here, this is the first and last. So 8 plus 8 is going to be 16. Okay. So 16 we have to take it as, and whatever we are going to take it as 16, say for example, beside 16 if you take 1, okay, so we have to find out with the 1. So 161 is 61. So there is a huge difference. Still I will go with 161, 165 into 5. If I go 5 5 is 25. Okay. 30, 32, 32, 18, 25. So sorry, 25, 32, 8, 25. Okay. So still there is a huge difference. So we are going to go for 165. 165 into 7. So 35, 45, 11, 15. Right? Still there is a difference. Then we are going to do there is no much difference. Sorry, 165 into 5 you have to take, right? 167 into 7 you have to take, because the same number whatever you are going to take, that number you have to. So 167 into 7, 49, 42 plus 4, 46. Okay, 7 1 is 7 plus 4, 11, 11, 69. Right? Still there is a difference. So we are going to go with the 168 into 8, the same number you have to take. So 64, 8 6 is 48 plus 6, 54, 8 1 is 8 plus 5, 13. See, exactly it is matching with 168 into 8 equal to 1344. So here we are going to take 168 into by multiplying with the 8 we got the number, right? So we are going to take the 168 into 8. Okay, so 1344. So that is going to become 0. So that means square root of 7744 equal to 88. This is the answer. See how you got the easiest way. Okay, this is the way to find out. Now we'll go for the bigger number, more than 4-digit number, and later we'll see the point. If we say, for example, 1599.66 or 0.666 point numbers, we'll take it. Okay. Now we are going to do the 5-digit number. Say, for example, 15129. Find out the square roots. So better to go with the divisible method. 15129. So from the last you have to take a pair. 291. So the remaining one is 1. So 1 1 ja 1. Okay, right. 1 plus 1 is going to become a 2. Okay, so 0 is going to become a 0. Then get down the 2 number as a pair. Get down it 51. So what is the table is going to happen here? So 2 beside I am going to put 1 into 1, 21. So this 51, there is a difference. So we are going to do it 23 into 3, the same number. Okay, 23 table, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 69. There is a, it is going to be, there is a bigger than this number. So we have to get down the number, right? So 23 into 3 is going to be 69. So it should not be more than this, right? So we have to put a lower number for that. So what we have to do is 22 into 2. 2 2 is 4. Okay. And 2 2 is 4. See, 22 into 2 table is going to match this. So now we are going to put the 22 into 2. So 44. So what is the remaining? 11 minus 4 equal to 7. So this is 6 minus 4 equal to 2. 27. Right? So here, here 51 minus 44 equal to 7, right? So 11 minus 4 equal to 7. This is okay. This is going to be 7. Okay. Now you have to get down the pair as a number, 29. Right? So now, see, earlier we got only 2. Now we will see what is the number, previous number. Okay. See, now 1 into 1 is going to be 1, and we got the 0 and 51. So we took the 1 plus 1 and 2. So we have taken 22 into 2. So 44, and we got the remainder as 7. Now we got the value taken from the 29 to down. Now what is the previous number here? 22. Just take it 22. What is the last remainder here? What is last remainder? 2, right? What is last remainder? 2. So 22 plus 2, 24. Right? Now whatever number we are going to take, 24, 241 into 1. We are going to do 241 table one time, 241. So there is a 729 number, right? We will go with the bigger number. So for example, 242 into 2. Always we have to take the same number, right? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 464. Still there is a difference. So here 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, so 485. There is a difference again. So now we will go with the 2 4 3 into 3. So 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. Okay, 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7, 29. See, 243 table 3 times is going to be match for this. So now what is the 243, and this is the 3 going to be 729. So becoming 0. So what is the square root of 15129? Therefore square root of 15129 equal to 123, right? So you got the logic, right? Okay, now we will take the decimal number. Okay, so don't fear the decimal number as it is how you are doing the same. Say for example here is a 0.2916. Say for example we'll take this number and we'll go the divisible method. So 0.2916. First thing is you have to pair it. Just do this. So 0. So 0 0 is 0 becoming 0, right? Then we will take the 29. Okay, so we are getting down the 29 here. So what is the table is going to become here? So we are putting the 0 point here. Okay, so what is the last remainder? 0. So we are not going to consider the 0. Still it is 0 point. Directly we can put it 0 point, or we can go with that 0 point. So what is the table? We have to take it. Say for example 2 2 is 4. Okay, 3 3 is 9. No, this is a huge difference. 4 4 is 16. No, 5 5 is 25. So 6 6 is 36. Okay, we are not going for 6. So we have to take 5 5 is 25. So 5 5 is 25. So what is the remaining is 4. So we have to get down the pair number 16. 4 16. So okay. So now 5, and what is the last remainder? 5. 5 plus 5 is going to be 10 here. Okay. So we are going to take 10 beside the number 1 into 1. So 101 1 ja 101. So still there is a chance to go for further. So what is the other number? We can take 102 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 20, 204. Right? There is a we can go for the further number. Now we will go with the 102 into 3. Okay. Sorry, 103 into 3. 3 3 is 9. 309. So 104 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 416. See, exactly it is matching with the 416 number. So 104 into 4. See, now we will go with the 104 here. So 104 into 4. So what is that number? 416. So become 0. So what is the square root for? This is the square root for 0.2916. So therefore 0.2916 equal to 0.54. This is the answer. Okay, now we will go with the other example. Say for example 0.007225. See, we are going to take the bigger number of this. So we will go for the square root for this number. So now we will go for this method. Okay, 0.007225. Okay, the first rule is take a pair. So still becoming 0. 0 0 is 0. So directly we can put it 0. So 2 zeros also we can put it as a 0 0 is 0. So becoming 0. Now get down the, take the other numbers. 72, right? So take the 72 number directly. 72. Okay. Okay. 72. If you get down the 72 table, so what is the table we are going to do? 2 2 is 4. Okay. Still there is a gap. So 5 5 is 25. No. 6 6 is 36. So still there is a huge gap. I think 7 7 is 49. Okay. Still we can go for further table. 8 8 is 64. 9 9 is going to be big. 81, right? So 8 8 is 64. Now we will take it as 8 into 8, right? 8 8 is 64. So so 72 minus 64 is going to become a 8, right? So now take the other number. 72 already gone, so we have to take the pair as number 825. Okay. Now what is the number here? 8. What is the last remainder? 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Okay. So now 16 beside 1 into 1, 161. So still there is a huge gap. Now we will go for 16 beside take another number 5, 165 into 5. So I am not going to take 2, 3, 4 because we are thinking 165 into 5 is going to be match. 25, 32, 825. So 5 times is matching with the 825. So 165 table 5 times. So here 165 into 5 is going to be match with this, so becoming 0. So therefore square root of 0.007225 equal to 0.085. This is the answer. 0.085 is the answer. So you got the formula, right? So this is going to be, we got the single table, single digit number 9, we already done, and the other one is double digit 169, we already given the example. The 4 digit number we have taken, the 5 digit number also we have taken, and decimal points also we have taken for the 2 examples. So I think now you are familiar with the what we are learning here. Okay, thank you.